All right, fresh off the truck. It's got here super fast. Let's see if we can get it open the first time the right way. The hard part. Come on. And there it is. Looks good so far. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so on the bench we're going to get some pickup readings here. So let's see where we're at. So in the lead, getting about 8.48. Middle, and in the bridge, there you go. Not too hot. Basic output pickups. We'll turn over and look at the control cavity. So Grover tuners. Nice looking binding. There's your toggle switch. This one's pretty much centered. One of these previous ones that was a little off. You can see the wire's a little close to the edge there, but not really centered, but close. Back looks nice. And we have alpha pots as advertised. Nice clean routing. Plastic. Neck is good. Out of all of them I've purchased, I think this one's the best so far. Nice color. Look at that. Nice rich color. I will be changing the pickup out and putting a little lighter gauge strings. This nut was cut much better than previous ones. So overall, this was a lot better than the previous ones. No doubt about it. Pretty good value for the money, no lie. Can't even talk this morning. Anyhow, we'll do some sound samples and go from there. Okay, so I figured I'd take a look at this control cavities. Just see what we got going here. And, nice routes. Again, as you can see, Epiphone USA pickups. Designed by Epiphone USA. So, that's what they have in them as stock. Hey, we're going to do a couple sound samples using my ENGL Thunder. Nothing major. This is actually set up really nice. It came great out of the box. So it's neck position. We'll do clean, mid gain, and high gain. Not a lot of playing, and a lot of not a lot of samples. Make sure you subscribe. Keep checking out my music online. Buy it, download it, stream it. Streaming doesn't pay, but hey, every little penny counts, right? Alright, now we're at mid-gain. Alright, now we're at some high gain. Well, there you have it. 10S. This is a nice guitar. Like I said before, subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out my music, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.